Now we are going to do one another sum from median. We have to find the median of the series. The sum is given as size is 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40 with given frequency as 10, 15, 25, 5, 5 and 20. Now what is the problem here? The most of the students think that the size means this question is from continuous series, the class interval is given. But here the size doesn't means the size of class interval. Size simply means the size of anything. It may be the size of a shoe, it may be the size of a cloth, it may be the size of anything. So this is a particular size कि जब frequency 10 है then size is 15 कि हमारे पास size 15 वाली 10 items है. May it be shoes, may it be clothes, may it be any other thing. So this is not from continuous series. This is the simple numerical of discrete series. Now how will we solve this, the sum of this series? We have studied that in discrete series we just apply the formula. Step number but before applying the formula, the step number 1 is arrange the series in ascending order. And if I look upon into this series, the series is already in ascending order. Just remember that we don't have to arrange the frequency in ascending order. We have to arrange the variable under study in ascending order. Here the variable under study is size. हमें size को लगाना है, तो size is already in ascending order, that is 15, 20 up to 40. So we will just do the second step, that is we will apply simply the formula, and the formula in discrete series is n plus 1 upon 2. The formula of median in discrete series is n plus 1 upon 2th term. तो मतलब हमें n plus 1 upon 2th term निकालनी है. Now what is n? n in frequency distribution, either it is discrete or continuous, is summation f. So here first of all we have to find out what is summation f. Now if we see the sum again, we will find the summation f. We can see here that the frequency is 10, 15, 25, 5, 5 and 20. So we have to add 10 plus 15 plus 25 plus 5 plus 5 plus 20. So we will get the value as, we get the values as 10 plus 15 is equal to 25 and 25 plus 25 is equal to 50, 50 plus 5 is 55, 55 plus 5 is 60 and 60 plus 20 is 80. That means our summation f is 80. So n is 80, so median is 80 plus 1 divided by 2th term, that is 80 plus 1 is 81. So 81 का half होता है जी 40.5. So the median is 40.5th term. Now after applying the formula, the third step in discrete series is to find the cumulative frequency. So we will find the cumulative frequency. The values written in black are the value of variable, that is size. Values written in red here are the frequency. Now we will find the value of cumulative frequency. ना तो cumulative frequency हम कैसे find out करते हैं, मैंने बताया था first cumulative frequency same होती है, that is same because cumulative frequency का मतलब होता है sum total of previous frequency. और 10 से पहले तो कोई frequency नहीं आ रही, तो first frequency is 10. After that हम इस तरह से plus करते हैं, 10 plus 15 is 25, 25 plus 25 is 50, 50 plus 5 is 55, 55 plus 5 is 60 and 60 plus 20 is 80. And I as told you earlier that summation f should be equal to the highest cumulative frequency. My summation f is 80 and what was my total so highest cumulative frequency is 80 and what was the total of n? We find out the n is 80. So both are equal, so our sum up to here is exactly right. Now the next step is to find out the value greater than n plus 1 by 2 in cumulative frequency. तो हमारा n plus 1 by 2 आया था 40.5. Our n plus 1 by 2 value was 40.5. तो हमें 40.5 से बड़ी वैल्यू CF में ढूंढनी है. नाउ इफ़ वी लुक ऑन द CF, तो CF है हमारे पास 10, 25, 50 एंड इफ़ वी लुक इनटू द सम 50 इज़ ग्रेटर देन 45. सो सॉरी 40.5. सो 50 के सामने जो भी हमारी x की वैल्यू होगी दैट विल बी आर मीडियन. तो 50 के सामने x है जी 25, सो आर मीडियन इज़ 25.